Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video, and today is the quiz, chapter 4 quiz. And again, if you took notes, you can use them on the quiz, but if you did the flashcards yesterday, you should be ready to go for today. The quiz is 15 questions, all multiple choice, I believe, maybe some true false. 15 questions, each one's worth 2, so it's only worth 30 points. And a lot of it is going to seem like a term or like a vocab quiz because that's kind of what it was. That was kind of the main stuff was new vocab, obviously religions and different pieces of culture. But chapter 4 quiz right here, guys. It's a Google form. You'll just be able to click, and then once you click submit, you should be able to see what you got right away. So you'll get instant feedback on your grade, and I'll put these in. Later on this week or maybe early next week, depending on how many people still need to take it or whatnot. But so the quiz is open right now, and anybody can take it. It's just due at 3 o'clock today. So you have to take it during the school day today. I don't care when you take it. Just make sure you take it before the end of the day. Otherwise, you miss the quiz. So it's open right now, and you'll have till 3 o'clock this afternoon to take it. And again, it's only 15 questions, all multiple choice. You'll just be able to click your answers, though. So again, chapter 4 quiz right here. Good luck working on it, everybody. Take your time, obviously, and just do your best. I will see you guys tomorrow. I do plan on tomorrow being a study hall or a work day. So for you people that have missing assignments, it's kind of a chance to catch up. And for you people that have been doing your assignments every day, it's kind of a chance for you to relax.